Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on December the 11th, 2020. Facebook reveals state-backed Vietnamese hackers. Cybersecurity investigators at Facebook have tracked down a hacking group long suspected of spying on behalf of the Vietnamese government for an IT company in Ho Chi Minh City. Friday's announcement is the first time Facebook has publicly exposed an offensive hacking operation, and it confirmed would be a rare case of government cyber espionage suspects being traced to a specific organization. The hackers, known as Euisun Chung of APT32, have been accused for years of spying on political dissidents, businessmen, and foreign officials. Facebook said it found links between cyber attacks of Euisun Chung and a Vietnamese company called CyberOne Group in the commercial district of Ho Chi Minh City. CyberOne Group denies any connection to the hackers. Hyundai mothers to acquire Boston Dynamics. South Korea's Hyundai Motor Group units and its chairman on Friday agreed to buy an 80% stake in Boston Dynamics Robotics from SoftBank Group Corp for $736 million to $828 million. Hyundai can use robotic technology to expand automation at its combined auto plants and also design autonomous vehicles such as self-driving cars, drones, and delivery robots to offer mobility services. The move comes after new chairman Euisun Chung pledged to reduce reliance on traditional automobile manufacturing, saying that robotics would account for 20% of the company's future business, with 50% coming from automotive manufacturing, followed by urban air mobility at 30% by 2030. Wall Street mixed on vaccine hopes, Brexit looms. Elusive stimulus talks and Brexit negotiations in the U.S. derailed gains in risky assets. However, investors are betting on stronger economic growth next year as more countries get ready to vaccinate. The U.S. voted for emergency use of the Pfizer vaccine, while China's Sinovac Biotech COVID-19 vaccine rolls out in Brazil. U.S. stocks were mixed as a short-term fiscal stimulus in the U.S. appeared unlikely after House Democratic Speaker Nancy Pelosi proposed to challenge the spending package, and the coronavirus bailout could drag on until Christmas. Overnight on Wall Street, the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 0.23%, the S&P 500 lost 0.13%, and the Nasdaq Composite added 0.54%. In addition, buying in some markets came to a halt as British Prime Minister Boris Johnson said Thursday that there was a strong possibility that Britain and the EU could not reach a trade deal. Oil prices rally with the deployment of vaccines. Oil rose Friday, extending a sharp overnight rally that saw Brent rise about $50 for the first time since March as the rollout of the coronavirus vaccine kept hopes alive that crude demand will rise next year. Brent was up 0.2% at $50.36 a barrel. U.S. crude was up 0.3% at $46.92 a barrel. Both were up nearly 3% from the previous session on Thursday. This means prices are set for the sixth week in a row as vaccine trials have helped overshadow the negative of the coronavirus. The UK began vaccinations this week, while the US and Canada could begin as early as next weekend.